There's this recent update from WhatsApp that says WhatsApp blocks users from taking screenshots of profile photos. This means that you can't take a screenshot of another person's profile picture and they can't screenshot your own profile. So because of this, we are currently unable to screenshot WhatsApp profile pictures as we usually do before. But thankfully, I found a workaround for this, and it is completely legal and very easy to follow. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to screenshot WhatsApp profile pictures without any hassle. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we go any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you can get a written and complete guide on how to screenshot WhatsApp profile pictures from the video description. Okay, so you won't miss any step out. Okay, so I recommend you check the video description for important mentions from there. Okay, so let's jump into it. So before we go any further, I would like to draw your attention on a second point. Okay, so if you can see, screenshot blocking is enforced on supported Android and iOS devices. This means only Android devices. This means only users of these devices are blocked from taking screenshots. You can't disable this feature. So if we are to look into this, you will notice that only Android and iOS versions have been mentioned. Alright, and because of this, you can't typically take screenshots of your friend or someone you have on WhatsApp regardless of the fact that you have their contact or not. So it doesn't matter whether you have their number or they have your number. This is an enforced feature. Okay, you can't disable it on WhatsApp. So if I'm to take an example here, I want to screenshot this profile picture. As soon as I click on that, the screen becomes dark. Okay, this is because I am actually using a screen mirroring feature, and because of WhatsApp privacy, this profile picture can't even be mirrored over another device. Okay, that is just to show how WhatsApp has enforced this feature for anyone looking to screenshot on WhatsApp. So with all of this already in mind, I would like to emphasize on the fact that if you don't already know that, WhatsApp is a cross-platform application. Okay, this means that you can't only use WhatsApp on Android or iOS. Okay, you can as well use WhatsApp on your web browser or even on your PC's WhatsApp app. Alright, and knowing this already should already give us a head start for screenshotting WhatsApp profile picture, as we know manipulating stuff with your PC is way more convenient than using your Android device. I mean, in the developer aspect. So you should already know that for the next steps, we won't be using our mobile device, that is your Android or iOS device, if you thought this method was relying on that. So you want to keep that one away and head over to your PC if you have one. If you don't have one, you can get one around you and use this method. Okay, it is very reliable. First thing first, you want to make sure that you have WhatsApp on your PC. Okay, and to do this, you can install WhatsApp directly from your Microsoft Store by searching for WhatsApp, just like so, and then making sure that it is installed. Okay, make sure that it is installed on your device. All right, so just go ahead and open it. This is how it should look like, and what you want to do is to click on this get started. Okay, linking from your PC's WhatsApp app is very easy, just as the WhatsApp web platform, which I'll be showing later in this guide. Okay, you can do all of this from your phone. Alright, let me just link WhatsApp to my phone from my phone. So after scanning this code via your WhatsApp mobile app from your phone, you should get this downloading recent messages show up. Okay, so just give it some time for WhatsApp to download your messages. There we go. So you should have WhatsApp linked right away on your PC. Okay, let me just get back to the screenshot that I wanted to screenshot earlier on my mobile device. So here is the profile. Once you're on the profile that you want to screenshot, just click on the number as usual to get more information on it and tap on that screen, on that profile picture. Okay, so Windows has this incredible tool. Windows 10 and Windows 11 have this incredible tool that lets you capture or snip portion of your PC screen and save in your hard drive. Okay, so this actually is the sniping tool, and you can just get this by typing the sniping tool from your PC and open it. Okay, so just click on this new, making sure that the snip is on the camera icon. Okay, so just click on new, and then here you want to trim this section of the image that you want to save. Okay, so just take it like so. Great, you've got the snip. Okay, you've got the snip. Okay, this is the image, the profile picture that you want to screenshot. As you can see, it is in high quality, as the snipping tool just collected the image as it was on the profile picture. All right, so now what you can do is you can save this to your PC. Okay, and in most of cases it is already saved by default. As you can see, screenshots are automatically saved to your screenshot folders. To access your screenshots, you just want to click on this three-dot icon and click on open screenshot folder. Okay, so you open the screenshot folder on your PC, and here is the image. Okay, and there's this incredible thing. Okay, if you needed to send this picture, this same profile picture on WhatsApp, you can just drag and drop this image in your WhatsApp app. Okay, so let's go back. You can send it to yourself, as WhatsApp lets you send images and stuff to yourself. Okay, to send this snip or this image to yourself on WhatsApp, just want to click on this new chat and tap message yourself. Okay, so this is your personal message folder, and you can just drag and drop this image from here. Okay, just like so. And just click on the send button. Okay, so this should send the media to yourself, and right now you can access this media whenever you want on your WhatsApp account. Okay, and also you can use it, you can send the image directly to any other person using WhatsApp without any issue. Okay, so let's suppose you can't access WhatsApp on your PC, so you can't actually download the app, or you don't want to use the app on WhatsApp PC. This method is even going to work for anyone on mobile. Okay, because you're accessing it via your web browser, so it doesn't matter whether you're on Android, iOS, or even on PC. This method should work well for you. All you have to do is to come to your web browser and search for web.whatsapp.com. The link will be provided in the video description, and once on this page, you should be able to log into your WhatsApp account through scanning a QR code that is going to be shown on your screen. Okay, so after scanning this code with your device, you should be shown your WhatsApp account, which is this one. And one thing I love with this WhatsApp PC is that you have a handful of options to screenshot your the WhatsApp profile picture from the web platform. Okay, so let me just enter into a chat and then open a profile picture to see more of it. Okay, and let's say I want to screenshot this profile picture. All right, so what I will have to do here is to just open my snipping tool once more and do the snip. Okay, and take a snip of it. So I can just open it just like this and click on this new button, and then I will still do the same thing, pretty much the same thing I did with the image earlier. Okay, just like so, and it should show up and be automatically saved in the screenshot folder. So now if you don't want to use your screenshot or the snipping tool on your PC, Windows web browsers nowadays like Chrome have a handful of options or extensions that will let you screenshot without even depending on your PC's tools. Okay, so I have this screenshot tool here that is called a Fireshot screenshot tool that lets you capture the selection of most of your things that you want on PC. Okay, so you can also use this to capture screenshot from your web browser if you don't want to go through the Windows pre-built snipping tool, which is also ideal for anyone who isn't using Windows 10 or Windows 11. As you can see, this is the image. You can save it here as an image, or save it to a PDF file, whatever thing you want. Okay, and now if let's say you are on Windows, you are on Android or iOS. Okay, from Android or iOS, you will be able to screenshot directly from your browser. Just open that profile picture and screenshot from your browser, and this should work. Okay, because as earlier said, screenshot blocking is enforced on supported Android and iOS version. Okay, so this means only users of this device are blocked from taking screenshot, as I said earlier. And even if you are using the web platform to access WhatsApp through your mobile device or your iOS device, this shouldn't be much of an issue for you, and you should be able to screenshot profile pictures from the web browser as well. Okay, so that's how you get to screenshot profile pictures on WhatsApp without any issue. Okay, whether you're on Android, iPhone, or PC, you should be able to screenshot your WhatsApp profile picture if you've watched this video until this extent. Okay, and also before we even go, you want to search your WhatsApp channels to find this channel M tutorials to follow our latest content and not miss any content from us. Okay, so if you actually found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell icon to not miss any content from us. All right, so I catch you in the next episode.